In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove delete users in GoHighLevel. If you're cleaning up your team list, offboarding someone, or tightening account security, this walkthrough will show you the exact path to safely remove a user from a sub-account. Start by opening your GoHighLevel sub-account. It's important to be in the correct location because removals apply only to the sub-account you're currently viewing. If you have access to multiple locations, glance at the top of your dashboard to make sure you're in the right one before moving forward. Once you're in the correct place, look to the left sidebar and open Settings. This is where all of the administrative options live, and it includes the controls for managing your team. Inside Settings, select My Staff. This page lists everyone who has access to the sub-account, along with their roles and status. Take a moment here to confirm you're looking at the right person. If you have a long list, use the search or filters to find them quickly. Double-checking now helps prevent accidentally removing the wrong user. When you found the user you want to remove, hover over their row and locate the trash bin icon. This icon is your delete action. Clicking it will start the removal process. So make sure you truly intend to revoke this person's access. As a best practice, pause to consider any assets or responsibilities tied to this user, such as calendars, conversations, or assigned opportunities, so you're prepared to reassign them if needed after the deletion. After you click the trash bin, a confirmation prompt will appear. You'll be asked to type delete to proceed. Enter it exactly as shown to confirm you understand the change is intentional and permanent. This safeguard helps prevent accidental removals and ensures only authorized users complete the action. Finally, click Confirm Delete to complete the process. The user is now removed from the sub-account and will no longer be able to sign in or access any data here. If you don't see the delete option, you may not have the required permissions. In that case, reach out to an account admin to handle the removal. That's all there is to it. Open your sub-account, go to Settings, select My Staff, choose the correct user, click the trash bin, confirm by typing delete, and finalize with Confirm Delete. With these steps, you can confidently manage access and keep your GoHighLevel workspace secure and up to date.